Hey there, it's Darlene. Welcome to Automatic Business. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in Go High Level. Let's dive right in. So on the left-hand menu, click Contacts. Pause for a second to let it load. Now, if you only have one or two people to add, you can enter them manually by clicking this Add Contact button right here. And now here's where we fill out the basics. Let's start with the first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Now, once the info is in, just click Save. And now they're part of our contact list. That's it. Your contact is now saved in Go High Level. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.